Hi, welcome to WeChat course part 2. In the part 2, I will just go through the things is a message in the management. So in the message, you can see how many friends have sent you the message. So you can do the reply here. Of course, this WeChat OA admin, everything is in the web page. You do not have the apps. You cannot do the reply of the message using your WeChat apps. You have to reply through admin panel here. Followers allow you to read your followers' accounts and their information. Okay. And you can block, you can create a new tag. You can set them to the group. And you can even block this person. Okay. The topics is a material. Material is an important thing for WeChat OA account. Everything that you need to send and broadcast, you need to add in the material. So material, there's two types. One is the single material, another one is a multiple item material. Let me go through with a single material. Okay, we try to create add a new rich material. Right. So I try to add a fish. Okay, I can upload you can leave it auto empty. Image, this is a fish story. Okay, let's try to save it. Yeah, you can save it and you go back to the material. You notice this is an incomplete article. Incomplete not allow you to broadcast, not allow you to send, not allow you to publish. So let's come back to the edit. So things that we miss out is the cover picture. You must have at least one picture in order to make the content complete. Okay, I have only one picture. It's again a rabbit. Okay, I save it. Now I go to the material again. Yeah, this is a complete article. Click and preview. Okay. Come back to here. I can edit. Add here, I can add a picture. Okay. And you can also save and directly do the broadcast. I come to the broadcast, but you cannot do broadcast anymore on today because just now I've already tested broadcast. So this is about the creating and managing single content. Let us move into the multiple content. This is pretty much same idea. You click this new rich media message. Multiple rabbit. Okay, this is about rabbit. I upload the cover picture. Then here, you see, I can add another topic, tiger. This is a tiger story. Upload the cover. I have only a rabbit. Okay, second. Okay, you try to click save. And back to the material. You see, this is called multiple content article. Alright, thank you.